What's up, VIPs? We're over here at Window Tints at the Western location. We got a couple cool cars here tonight. Here we have a G63 straight from Mercedes-Benz downtown. We're gonna be doing a full satin black vinyl wrap on the car, as well as powder coating the wheels, powder coating the front ram bar, and some other blackout stuff. Over here, we have a brand new 2018 Velar. The new body Range Rover taking over the Sport, and we did a full blackout package, powder coat wheels, window tints. Well, here we got the beautiful M4 with a satin neuro gray finish. It used to be an Avery color, but now it is a KPMF color since Avery discontinued it. It's just gorgeous, and you can't beat satin neuro gray. The best. Powder coated the wheels, painted the brake calipers, put an M decal on the calipers to make it just perfect. We have the infamous purple Jeep Grand Cherokee owned by this man over here. Oh, I forgot to show you what we're actually working on, which is this 4 Series in a cloud gray. All we've got left is this front bumper here, some blackout over here. We got this cool laminate tinted emblem. We got to powder coat the wheels, tint the reflector. It is an early, beautiful morning in Southern California. We're here at our Western location after a late night of working on some vinyl wraps. We got a couple cars finished. Today we got a couple things going on. We're gonna start wrapping the G-Wagon. We are going to take the 4 Series to the powder coater, and this guy's got a couple more things we got to do before we can bring it to the customer. But I did want to show you some of the beauty shots of the Velar, so check those out right now. Velar is a great looking car, wouldn't you agree? This Velar is a lot smaller than the big body Range Rover. What do you guys think? You guys think that the Velar is a good replacement for the Sport, or they should keep rolling out the Sports and the Velars at the same time? I don't know. Let me know what you think.